this assessment gets us thinking about the stereochemical outcome of reactions where a racemic mixture is not produced. The question asks, which of these two stereoisomers would we expect to form preferentially? Now, this reaction is going to go through a propagation step 1 to give this planar radical, and it's in this second propagation step when we get the bromine adding to either the front or the back of the molecule. Now, normally, we would say that a planar radical can be attacked equally from the front or the back. That's not going to be the case here, because in this case we have this really bulky tert-butyl group coming towards you and this smaller methyl group coming away. The T-butyl group is on the top face, the methyl group is on the bottom face. And so where would we expect the new bromine to add? To avoid that steric interaction with this very bulky tert-butyl group, we'd expect most likely it to add to the bottom face. It may not be perfectly selective, but we would expect then this to be the major product of this reaction.